Odionwere, also called Oka 1, was in celebration mood as per David Igiede was installed as Odionwere of the community. Some youths were also initiated as elders in the community. Speaking after his installation, the Odionwere of Oka 1 per Igiede thanked God for the successful ceremony. He promised to promote peace in the community.
Oji magwalo oji ga do borebo o mebe na be ya temo be bo na me do ba aye police mo bi ye police mo egbe be no ye no ye ga ni ka eri o no ye bi aye na o fure no ro ke wo were ri ma de o no ye arebo na o kolo me magwalo be bo na o ku igbe magwalo ni ma ya koko ko boku gbe na do rebo ye igwalo ye oba ga to pe.
Some members of the community, including one of the youths initiated as elders, promised their loyalty to the Odionwere.
The installation of the Odionwere, so I am happy, and every members of the community, we are happy. He has been our father, very liberal person. We have to support him so that there will be no problem in the community.
David Igiede
we were installed into the Odion group of this Odionwere community. It feels wonderful, and we want to use this opportunity to thank the community for finding us worthy to be installed into this formidable group.
The people of Oka 1 danced through some streets to the residents of the Odionwere to continue the celebration. Ikmomosa Ugiagbe, ITV News.